Hey everyone, I am Steve with Steve's POV. You don't normally see me speaking English, but that's my mother tongue is English. We are here today. We've got a kind of a special thing going on today, you know? I don't really do a lot of collaborations with other YouTubers. I don't really get out a whole lot. You know, I'm a little older than most of the guys on YouTube and that, but I don't know, I'm into a lot of cars. I've been around a long time. I'm 48 years old. And, you know, I've made some friends. Not that I don't want to collaborate, I just haven't collaborated a lot with other YouTubers. But I've become friendly over the years with a bunch of guys. I became friendly over the years with Effspot. Gordon is a nice guy. I became friendly with Damon from Daily Driven. And he's a super nice guy. But I don't really do a lot of collaboration. So today is kind of an interesting... It's going to be an interesting day. Why is today going to be an interesting day? We're about to head out and do a little collaboration with a couple of guys. One I know and one I've never met before, but I look forward to it. That is Stradman, who I don't know, and Effspot that I do know. We're going up to a beautiful house, and we're taking the Ferrari that's 599 GTB, which I am using for a couple days, and we got my Skyline right there, sucking up some petrol. Filling them up. We're about 20 minutes away from where we're heading. Should be a blast. I can't wait to meet these guys. Can't wait to work with them. And can't wait to, I don't know, show them kind of what Steve's POV about. The old man, you know, the dad of the group of all these young YouTubers. That's me. Anyway, we'll report back from where we're heading. And I don't know, it's going to be a fun day. I can tell already. It's always weird, I say, when you see your own car on the road, like my Skyline right there driving, and I'm not behind the wheel driving it. It's really an odd feeling to look at your own car, but you know what? Sometimes it gives you another perspective. Sometimes it gives you some ideas, you know what I mean? Like, hey, you know what, if I did that to that car, or this to that car, it would look even cooler, it would look even better, you know what I mean? Or, I don't know, sometimes, you know what I mean, I always think that way. You know, Steve's POV is kind of about the difference in cultures between Japan and the United States too, not just cars and car culture, but what's different between us. And sometimes you gotta step out of your own environment, you gotta step out of your own country, you gotta step out of your own comfort zone and go someplace else to kind of get a new perspective. And that's the same thing. Step away from my car, look at it from the outside. Obviously I noticed I got a brake light out right there, you see? I gotta fix that. And you wouldn't have known it if I'm driving the car myself. But, nice. The cars are out, the weather's hot, it's summer, baby! Woo! Anyway, this is an exciting day. I'm here with Car Vision, my buddy Anesh. He's been working with me this summer. He's an awesome dude and a great cameraman, and I need you to check out his channel too. And I think you'll enjoy his reviews. They're a little more serious, a little more, probably serious, I think is a good word, than my reviews and what I do. But you know what? That's all good. Different styles, everybody's got their own. Steve's POV style is, I don't know, Steve's POV style, I guess.
The Hako is getting more attention than this Ferrari 599. Everyone's stopping to take pictures. We can't get any pictures of the cars, but let's go, let's check it out. There we go, I got my cameraman for my brother cars right there. Yeah!
We are at a secret location in the San Fernando Valley, north of the 118, in the Chatsworth area, at a beautiful house. By the way, he's a little shy, but there's a guy over there that I know. His name is Effspot. He hates when the camera's on him. For some reason, he's always on Steve's POV. But we got another guy that you all know right here. We got some cool cars here today. We got a little lineup, some classics, some exotics, and we got somebody right here that I think a lot of you know. His is the Stradman. I'll tell you, he's one of the guys on YouTube that my kid spends a hell of a lot more time watching than even my channel. You know, but as a dad, I guess you just get used to that kind of stuff. It's all right. I'm gonna learn from what these guys do, right, and try to grow my channel. I appreciate the ability to hang out with you today.
It's a blast. I love your Skyline.
You know, I appreciate that too, man. And then you pulled in with this car and this wrap and the look. I was almost really glad I wasn't gonna bring the Skyline today.
Yeah.
But after looking at this car and this kind of vintage badass wrap, I couldn't wait to take a picture with the two cars together.
Sick combo.
That is awesome. This guy in Japan, 日本人の方がもうご存知の方もいると思うんだけど、ストラドマンのチャンネルが非常に人気、スティーブ的視点の10倍以上の人気なので、チェックしてね、ストラドマンというそのチャンネルの紹介も下の方に入れておきますので、チェックして面白い方、すごく純粋ないい方なんで、まあ今度一緒に協力させてもらうことがいろいろあると思うので、チェックしてね。Give you the best possible shout out that I could possibly do in my little world in Japan. You got it, brother.
Awesome.
Look forward to hanging out with you. Thanks. His car is so cool looking in the wrap. When I looked at my Skyline next to this McLaren, and I said, damn, those two cars are gonna look good together. So what we're doing right now is we're lining up all the cars here. Skyline in the front, the 599 right there. We got Effspot's Jaguar right there. We got Stradman's McLaren. We got the Skyline GTR right here. And we've got a beautiful, check this house out, man. Check out the environment. Check out where we're at right here. I mean, if this is not picture perfect, the nicest day, the bluest skies, Ferrari, a Jaguar, a Nissan, hey, check that out, man. Italian, Japanese, and a couple of Brits in the house. This is like the United Nations here in the San Fernando Valley. It is beautiful. Look forward to getting some nice aerial pictures of this house and of these cars. And check out my buddy Car Vision 2, my other buddy. He's the one filming this right now. He's the one who's about to launch this drone. Psh, take off. All right, so we came out to this undisclosed location we talked about with all this cool stuff going on. We decided we're gonna do the coolest thing of all. We're gonna fly the drone. And then the drone goes up, the wind comes, and you see this tree right here? You see the tree? There's a drone up there. And there's also a YouTuber with about 1 million subscribers up there too, grabbing that drone right now. It's the Stradman. And he is up in the tree, rescuing our drone. All right, man, I'm here. If you want to give it a drop, we'll give it our best shot. 1, 2, 3, catch the drone. Oh, yes, sir. Good save, my man. Woo! I dropped the drone and the YouTuber fell out of the tree. It would have been the worst shoot ever. ロサンゼルスの北部の方におります。今日はすごい車もあるんだけれども、すごい家もあるので、中に入ってちょっと覗いてみようか。中に入りましょう。ところで今日はスティーブだけじゃなくて他の YouTuber もいます。Effspot さんもいるし、ストラッドマンもいるし、でもこの家がすごいので17,000スクエアフットの家なのでめっちゃくちゃでかい。見てください。すげえ。この上のね、このランプ見ててすごいことになってる。これだけで何もするのかな。すげえよな。こういうところまでね、おばさんが結構すごいところやりますよね。これもすごい。これはいいよ、ゲームルームだよ。ゲームルーム、あ、ピンボールゲームマシンも昔のね、これ70年代、60年、50年代かな。テレビがすげえ。これは何インチのものなんだろう、これは。すごい。これはね、この家って、さっきね、調べてみたんだけど、来る前に。600万ドルだよね。8億ぐらいをする家なんですよ。素晴らしい。これ見て、みんなさ、このアメリカのキャンディーのこう入れ物なんだけど、ペーズというものなんですよね。見て、この中にキャンディーを入れるんだけど、細かくこうスワロフスキーでこういうのも作ったのはすごい綺麗だよね。細かいこと。Especially that condom.
Oh my god.
So much stuff. That's crazy. 日本の このね、妹さんの部屋らしいんだけど、日本の文化も好きみたいですよね。これは何？北四研究所？どこなんだろうね。13にもできないどこだ？新たな発見。これは2015年の日本のなんか日本科学未来館。お台場の科学未来館にポケモンがあったって。それ見に行ったのかな？これは本物なんか日本から持ってきたものが未来館の。なるほどな。まあ日本の文化好きな妹さんなんだよね。外に出てきたところなんで、これ2階のベッドルーム、マスターベッドルームから出てきたこうベランダからの眺めなんですけど、見て本当は高級レゾートにいるような感じはしますよね。すごいなんか流れる川みたいな感じだし、もうテニスコートもあっち奥にあるし、パームツリーもあるし、すごいなこういうのはね。まあね、日本では考えられないよね。このぐらいの面積で、このぐらいの広い面積でこんなところって7億8億ぐらいしますよ。これはね、すごい興奮感動びっくりだな。すごいです。You know, guys, we're up on the third floor of the house right now, and I gotta tell you, there are so many, every room you go into in this house, there's more and more hidden treasures. I mean, if you're not into retro stuff like I am, you just gotta look at some of this stuff and kind of appreciate what it is. The game that I showed you a few minutes ago over there, that early Sega basketball game that's sitting over there under that plastic dome piece. Good luck ever seeing another one of those anywhere. I don't even think I've ever seen one in my life, but that's an early Sega, probably vintage 50s, 60s, early Japanese. This thing is cool though. Have you ever seen a Coca-Cola bottle like this? There are glass bottles of Coca-Cola that are so collectible, but have you ever seen one with a skinny shape that comes down all this thin like it looks like? I think what they were trying to tell you was this. If you drank cherry Coke, maybe you get skinny like this kind of, you get a waistline like that. You're, you know, kind of the nice figure that women look for.
POV.
See you, Stradman. Great to meet you, brother.
Take care.
Take it easy. Today was a fun day. I have not really done a lot of hanging out with other YouTubers much, but today I got a chance to do that. You know, my son watches a lot of these guys. Scrape in this neighborhood. My son watches a lot of these guys on YouTube. I don't know him really good, but to hang out with Effspot today and with the Stradman today and to get a drone stuck in a tree today and have to have him climb up the tree and get it, we had a lot of fun, and we did it all in a 17,000 square foot mansion here north of the valley. Man, a perfect day. You know what? That's what Steve's POV is all about. Man, this neighborhood's nice, but they did not build this for low-riding cars, I'll tell you that much. Scrape. Anyway, this is Steve's POV. I hope you subscribe. You know, the beauty is, my video is going to be my style, Gordon's video is going to be his style, and the Stradman's going to do his style, and so is Car Vision. Everybody's got their own styles, and we can collaborate together and do things in our own ways, and that's the beauty of YouTube. It's not competition. You know, we're all our own thing. I got my niche, they got their niches, and you know what? Hopefully we all benefit from each other's differences. That's the beauty of it. Stay cool, thumbs up, talk to you soon. See you again. Or in Japanese, じゃあね、またね、よろしく。